What's up, guys? I just wanted to go over basically what was going on with my BMW. I have a 6 Series and I've had some electrical problems with it, trying to get it to start, and I've went through this series of basically replacing the alternator, the starter, a couple different things. So I figured this would help you guys out. I wanted to show you go over some of the symptoms that my car was doing. I would put in my key to start the car, everything would light up, and putting my foot on the brake, I would get nothing turning it. So that seems to be a big problem with BMWs. After many visits to the dealership, the problem turned out to be, and was never really the starter, the battery, the alternator. If you come under my BMW hood, there's a cabin filter right here, and basically that just kind of pops off. If you remove the cabin filter, there's kind of like a little lock up here. So take off this guard, basically the cabin filter sits in. There's gonna be this electronic, like basically like a fuse block down here. Now inside here, the problem ended up being this back here. There's a this device right here, and I have the part number for a 6 Series, but I know one of the BMWs, they're all similar in a way. There's 3 plugs, I want to say, that go in on the top, and then another 4 on the bottom, and this is what the part looks like right here that I replaced. And this seems to be a pretty big problem. So I have a 6 Series, and it's going to be something similar. I know it can be on the other side as well for some of the older BMWs. So I'll list the part number in the bottom of this video, but this is indeed the problem for my car. And from reading some forums and what I've read from other people, they've had the same symptoms, basically where my car just wouldn't start and you have to kind of turn the key a bunch of different times, or sometimes I'd be driving it and the lights would be flashing, or sometimes the dash would dim. So this guy right here with all these fuses in here, I will list the part number for mine. I believe it's called an integrated supply fuse block. So please subscribe, and hopefully I can save you guys thousands of dollars from the dealership. All right, talk to you guys later.